Hi beauties, welcome and welcome on back. So I literally just woke up and I thought, why not just come here to film? So last night I was filming and I didn't like the effect that I got from the camera. I thought, oops, like I need to do this again. So I decided to just quickly jump in front of the camera this morning as soon as I woke up. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? It's still morning for me. I think it's about 7 a.m. or something like that. And I thought, let me just film with natural light and see what it's going to look like. Yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box, the one that came for May. I should have unboxed this item since it came, I think, over a week now. I wasn't happy when I received the box, so I was just like, let me keep it on the low. I also got a few items from the pop-up store. I think you can see a few items behind me right there. Usually Boxycharm also hosts a few other events apart from the monthly subscription. There is pop-up, there is also I think add-ons, and but before that I just thought like should just quickly say this. So I wasn't so happy with the shipping company receiving my items this time around. So I noticed that the shipping company has been going through my items, I mean, which is okay, or I don't think it's okay. You've seen the package, right? And whenever you ask me, I told you what it is. I even told them the company. You can even see the company on the package, but still they open my items like they want to know the price, because I don't know, they usually use the price to judge how to charge you and things like that, aside using the weight and stuff. So they also want to use the weight and the value of the product, and I'm just like, these are items that I bought at a very good deal. In fact, most times I don't even know what is inside until I receive it, and these people don't actually believe me. So their way of finding out is by opening my items and looking through. So when they look through, then they go search online. I don't know, like it's so annoying. Like I find it to be shady. Although when I asked them about it, they said, oh, that's their way of like confirming if everything that you're bringing into the country is legit, custom duties and all of that stuff. But I know in as much as you want to do your custom duty checks, there are also other ways that you can handle things. And I mean, this time around, I wasn't really happy, especially with my pop-up items. You can see them right behind me. They came individually like that. Like, they just kept it in their plastic bag. I don't want to show the company name, but the way it came, it's just like I bought something from a store inside the plastic bag. And I said, usually Boxycharm would never send out my package like that. They must have kept all those items that I bought in a box. And they were like, yeah, that was how they received it from the US, from their US office and all of that. I also noticed that this time around when my items came, they also had label of my name on it, which means they were actually like shipped individually. I don't even know what happened, honestly. I'm not happy with it. And usually this is the thing with Africa, like buying things or sending things down to Africa is actually very annoying if you don't have a very good shipping company. And I don't blame why things are expensive in Ghana also, especially like beauty stores and stuff like that. Products are expensive, and that's because they go through a lot getting the things down here to Ghana. I mean, not just Ghana, but I think it's a thing with Africa, so to say. The other thing that actually got me excited was that I was able to pick my choice for July. And just in case you don't know anything about Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box that you subscribe to. Every month you get your box. If you don't want it to be every month, you can do every other month. I like to be an active member. They have 3 tiers of subscription, which is base box, premium box, and luxe box. For you to get a luxe box, which is Boxy Luxe, you have to be a base subscription, and every 3 months you can upgrade your base subscription to a luxe box. I logged in to make my choice quite late. I don't know why I forgot. Upon logging into my account, and I was just like, ooh, I got excited. I'm going to show you guys the choices that was there. For premium box, you get to make 2 choices, and for base box you get to make 1 choice, and for Boxycharm you get to make 2 choices. So this time around we are just going to do base box and premium box. At the moment I'm only on the premium box, so I'm just going to show you what I picked for myself. So I was able to pick 2 items, but before picking the 2 items, something happened and I was just like, what is going on here? I think there was a glitch. If you're already subscribed to Boxycharm, let me know if you also experienced that glitch, or maybe it was just from my side. So I got excited because I saw the Anastasia Beverly Hills Novella palette. There was the volume 1 and volume 3, and when I saw it I was more attracted to the volume 3. However, when I wanted to pick volume 3, I could not pick it, telling me like maybe it was sold out or something like that. I had to refresh my system, and then I tried picking it again. It was available. When it was time for me to pick the other second option, which was a bronzer, a loose powder, and also I think a primer oil. I really don't know what that was, but because I was very much interested in the bronzer, so I picked the bronzer. And I noticed that when I picked the bronzer, I could not choose the volume 3 palette. I was just like, what is going on here? Anyways, I had to secure the bag by choosing what was most important to me. I chose the bronzer. So I do hope the bronzer is going to be my shade. It looks like it's going to be my shade though. I had to go for the other option, and this is actually why I like Boxycharm, because it gives you the option to choose. However, if you don't choose, they are going to make the choice for you anyway. And that palette alone has paid for my entire box, because that palette retails for $60. My subscription is $35. Like, do the math already. And also the most exciting thing is that Boxycharm Premium Box is a complete takeover by Anastasia Beverly Hills products, which means the entire item that will be in that package is going to be from Anastasia Beverly Hills. How exciting is that? Like, I can't even imagine what I will be receiving. At least I already know 2 items, which is good enough, but I'm kind of curious to know the other things. Anyways, I'll just wait and see when the box comes in July or maybe in August, because my boxes come slightly late. I don't know. And the sad thing is that it's obvious that I will not get anything for skincare in this box, because we all know that Anastasia Beverly Hills is all about makeup.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
And just in case you stumbled across this channel, hello, hi, my name is Rodia. Around here I'm sharing beauty, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, and if this is your thing, kindly join this community. Let's be friends. What you say? Anyways, so kindly subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification just so you get updated whenever I put up a new video, okay? Anyway, enough talking too much, let's get to the unboxing.